What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Sunday morning, 7:33 here in the great state of New York on the 30th of March, 2025. The early bird catches the worm. And I say this quite frequently. You guys may think I sound like a broken record, but lead by example. Do as I do, not as I say. If your boss does not lead by example, perhaps you should break his legs. I'm just joking. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this morning I am heading on an emergency no heat service call for a new residential client in the Rockaways. They got a Peerless Purefire boiler, thrown off a couple errors. The primary error is I think it's A003 or A03, which is a high temperature error, high temperature fault. It seems like she's overheating. Could be an internal temperature sensor is at blame, or it could be a circulation issue. Or, I don't know. You know what? We plan and God laughs. But nonetheless, we should be arriving right around 8 o'clock in the morning on this miserable and cold 43 degree. Why aren't you fucking sick? Look at this. You fucking jerk off. On this miserable, overcast and hazy, foggy, lightly misting 43 degree. Fuck, I can't even talk. On this miserable, overcast, misty, 43 degree day here in the great communist state of New York. Oh, yeah. People were bitching and complaining, calling me a racist. Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't give a fuck. Right? You want to live, you want to probably illegal migrate here to the United States, right? And then you want to make money. I get it. But put the American flag in the back of your fucking Honda Civic. Oh, fuck. Instead, you're going to put Honduras or El Salvador or wherever you're from on it. People call me racist, Mikey Pipes, but you have an Israeli flag in your building. Yeah, with the fucking American flag. And if you notice on my flagpole, the American flag is up there on the top. The fuck, motherfuckers. Fuck you, cocksuckers. Haters and trolls sitting in their parents' fucking unfinished basement. Yeah, I haven't used that word. Unfinished basement of their parents' house, wearing their sister's cum-filled panties. Inbred motherfuckers. Look at these guys are hustling on a Sunday. Look at that. Oh, fuck. I was going to go to Bagel. I'll get a bagel. You know, I'm just going to go through a fucking red light instead. Well, I ended up stopping at Dunkin' Donuts. Got myself... Oh, God. What the hell is up with this light? Got myself a small iced coffee with whole milk and some sugar. Not that fake shit. Real sugar. And some hash browns. Oh. I loved it when they had the grilled cheese on the Texas toast. It was slamming. Oh. As some of my brethren would say, fire. It was fire. Building for lease. All right, I got to find the house I'm going to. Always a lot of multi-family houses here. Oh, it's good money here, by the way. Good money to be made here in the Rockaways. A lot of good money to be made here. She looked a little dumpy, but throw her a bone. All right, let me go find a parking spot, find the house, and I'll see you in a little bit. Man, I almost thought I was going to get beat up. Fucking boiler. Peerless Purefire. It's a condensing boiler. It looks similar to a Burnham Alpine, except the heat exchanger is like upside down. After an hour of proper operation, it throws an error that I was called out for. A 03 error, overheat, over temperature alarm, right? So I'm like, interesting. The boiler's at 120 degrees. Why is it doing this? So I power cycle the system, and the system instantly throws another error, 22, or I think 21. Polarity, grounding issue, right? The hot and cold. Yeah, the hot and cold. The neutral and line are reversed. I'm like, all right, let's check that. Got my voltmeter out, checking line to ground. I got 120 something volts, and neutral to ground. 0. I got continuity between that actually. So I'm like, yeah, this thing, and then the temperatures of the boiler at -40. I'm like, yeah, definitely a control board here. But this control is like over $1,000. So Peerless, they're not open on Sunday, on the weekends. So I will call them and I'm not, replacing, I'm not getting approval on a part, unless I confirm with the manufacturer. This is the problem, but it's got to be the problem. So, so now I'm driving, leaving the Rockaways. See? Right below the L. I think this is the A and the C train, A train. There's a lot of potential here, by the way. A lot of potential. Man, I was a schmuck after Hurricane Sandy here, man. After Hurricane Sandy, I was like, oh, man, I'm a fucking millionaire. I just won the lotto as a plumber in New York. After a hurricane, everyone got flooded. Everyone needs new water heaters, boilers, furnaces, air conditioning systems. What did I do? I bought myself a fucking Maserati instead of like buying real estate, which was a bargain back then here. Dumb fuck that I am. And I also, bought a lot of cool shit. But I was younger then, a lot younger. Now I'm smarter. Now I like to squirrel away every little fucking penny. But right now I have this bug. I have this itch. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I like to collect old currency. Like the early 1900s and even the 1800s. And just weird, like obsolete currency, like black eagles, and crazy stuff. I have a $500 bill. I have two $500 bills. My itch right now is that I want a $1,000 bill. US dollar. We're not talking about like, Iraqi dinars, We're talking about, American currency. I want a $1,000 bill. And if I can really I can't afford it, but a $5,000 bill, that would be tits. That would be really tits, but it's like, $250,000. I could buy another Porsche. Or I could buy a $5,000 bill. Jeez. Yeah, I like to collect old currency. And some coins, like precious metals. I have some bullion as well, some gold. But that's my little hobby. What do you guys do for like fun and hobbies? Let me get your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you do for fun? Tell me. Besides skiing, and besides swimming, enjoying vacations, traveling. Like what do you guys do? Like, tell me. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. We got the red light cameras here. I got to be easy. You know what I mean? I got to be easy. Don't want to get a speed ticket camera here and pay $50. Fucking sucks. New York City, trying to get you. Oh, happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. I have a wedding this evening in Jersey. I hear there's going to be 1,100 people at the wedding. Yep.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shut up, Siri. Love you guys. No homo. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.